Okay. So knowledge test, just do it quickly, three minutes. So we have two programs here, x equal 5 if this condition satisfy, and or how many lines of outputs are there for these programs. What do you think how many lines will be printed out? So examine the code line by line. Let's talk about the program on the left hand side, program 1. So we have x equal 5. Now the condition at line number 3, will it satisfy? If x equal 8, it does not satisfy, which means that it's not going to be printed. What about this one? X is greater than 1. Does it satisfy? It satisfies. It means like this piece of line will be executed, this piece of code will be executed. So it means it will print now. Okay. What about this? X is less than 20. Will this condition satisfy, and if it is going to be executed? Now I mentioned that either any one of the branch or any one piece of code is executed. Okay. Once any condition satisfied in between, then the entire block is considered finished. Okay. It means that once this condition satisfied already, it is not going to check any other condition. It will only start executing after the if-else block. Okay. So which means that this condition is satisfied, print now. So it will print now, and then it will print cow. It is not going to print brown. Okay. Understand? Have a question? Can ask me, because again it is important from your exam as well as like coding point of view. What about the second one? Program 2. How many lines of code will it print? 3. Which 3?
The second if statement and the third if statement, and then the print.
Second statement, which line number?
15, 17.
15 is satisfied. Why do you think it is going to be executed?
Because 5 is less than 20.
So we have also discussed something here.
Oh, so it's only like one of them.
But what you're saying is right,
Yeah.
but you may not know the reason. So here, if else block is considered as a single branch structure. Here we are using if. We are checking multiple conditions. These are independent of each other. So it first check if x equal 8. It does not satisfy, it is not going to execute this one. It checks another condition, although I do not have a space in between these two, but these are independent if structures. Okay. So it will check if x is greater than 1, it will print this. Next it will proceed ahead. There is no else block in this one. Okay. No else, no elif. There is another if block. Just like you can have multiple functions in your program, similarly you can have multiple if else structure in your program. If structure, if else. Okay. So here this condition satisfied, it will be printed. This one also satisfied, it is also printed, and the third one is anyway going to be printed. Okay. So here in this case there are two outputs now in cow, and here there are 3 outputs. So this is very important. Carefully observe the code, what is written. If it is if, every if condition is going to be tested. If it has if, elif, or else, then either one of the condition is going to be executed, whatever is true. If neither elif condition satisfy, else structure should be executed. If you do not have an else structure, nothing is going to be executed if the condition does not satisfy. Okay. Okay. So that's it.